So in our next example, it says, what is the slope of, and then it gives us an equation, negative 3x plus 8y equals 12. Well, now, I know that if I make this look like y equals mx plus b, that the that right there is the slope. And just to kind of refresh our brains, the slope represents the rise over run, and we call that the change in y over the change in x. And that's also sometimes referred to as delta y over delta x, remembering that this triangle symbol is the Greek letter delta, and in math it always represents change or increment. Okay? So if I can make this equation look like y equals mx plus b, in other words, if I solve this equation for y, I can figure out what the slope is. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3x to both sides of the equal sign, because that's how I solve. So then I get 8y is equal to positive 3x plus 12. 3x, the x is not a like term because 12 is a constant, and 3x has a variable x in it. So now what I need to do is I need to get the 8 away from the y by dividing by 8. But remember, with division, whatever I do to one term, I have to do to every term. So 8 divided by 8 is just 1. In other words, these cancel out, and I get 1 times y, which is y. Then this becomes 3/8 x. And then I can reduce this 12 over 8 by thinking in my head 4 goes into both of these. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then whatever I do to the bottom of the fraction, I got to do to the top. So that means that this reduces down to 12 divided by 4, which is 3, all over 8 divided by 4, which is 2. But I didn't need to do all that, but I did. And the reason that I did all that is because I'm really just interested in finding out what the slope is. Well, the slope is the number in front of x, which is just 3 over 8. And that's it.